Hello guys. Welcome back to Around the World with TP. Back with another one. Yesterday I promised you guys that I would shoot a video with me on the e-bikes, the electronic motorcycle. So I came around this one yesterday, and unfortunately with this one it's still new. I'll show you. I'll turn the camera around and show you. So I had to register, and when I tried, it only allowed the Chinese identity number, which I don't have, of course, because I'm a foreigner. I use a passport, so I didn't find an option for that. Let me turn it up. It's this one over here, very new, and by then it was the only one on the block. But today we're going to try this one, because there's this one and then there's another red one. Let's see if I can just register with my phone. Okay, and here goes nothing. Okay, there. So this one, at least I can translate. Let's see what it says. Location, allow, and then I go back. Then I scan the QR code. So this one has got like 35% of battery, and then for 15 minutes they'll charge me 2.5 yen or RMB plus 1 yen to continue for 10 minutes. So 24 hours total cap. It's 31. I do not understand what they are saying now, but anyway, let's check it out. Okay, this one is telling me about the to check the drop-off point where I'm going. So I don't know where I'm going. I'm just gonna take it around the block. So we have to log in first. Enter phone number. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let me add my number. Let me check if I got the SMS for the number. Okay, I've got the SMS right there. Is it that? No, I don't think so. Okay. Okay, I think I got it now, so I'm gonna enter my number quickly. 285. Get verification. Let's go check my messages. Nothing yet. I think there's a problem here. We need to go back to the login page. Okay, quick login. Okay, let's confirm. Now I got it. Okay, we in. We scan again. Rent immediately. And there we are in. And I guess the red spots there are where we can park. So yeah, let's take it around the block. Let's check the helmet, and you can see there it says it's ready. I don't know how to unlock the helmet. Oh, unlock. Okay, unlocked successfully. Oh, where do I unlock the helmet from here? Determined, yes. Ah, now we're in business. Okay. Okay, we've got our helmet on. Let's take this baby for a ride. Put my cap there. Okay. The last time I rode one of these was like 15 years ago. So let's see how it goes. Okay. Let me just fix my cam so you guys can see me nicely. Okay. So I'm gonna try this. Just gonna go around the block. It's noisy. Guys, excuse me for that. Okay. Nice and slow. Relatively easy. Okay. Oh, okay, I'm getting the hang of it. There we go. Yeah, so it's not as difficult as I thought it would be. Very easy. I just use the switch here on my right hand, and if I want to go faster I just turn it back slower. But I'm sure people who ride motorcycles will know what I'm talking about. So yeah, wow, this is, now I understand why people are biker boys, why they go to speed. And I've never been around this side, so it's gonna be lovely to explore. Okay, here we go. I'll switch it around when I get over there. Wow, it's not as difficult as I thought. Okay guys, let me just switch it around so you guys can see the scenery around me. There we go. And off we go. As you can see, they've got separate roads. Like this is the strictly for the bicycles and motorcycles. Although you see some people are misbehaving, they're not following the rules, because this is supposed to be for oncoming. But hey, one rule that you should know as a foreigner: always obey the rules of the country you are in. Do not, and I repeat, do not follow the citizens, because they are citizens after all. You can get deported or detained. And I'm not just saying that because it's in China, but follow the rules, man. It's the least you could do, you know. Look at this view right here. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Hello. You see how friendly these people are? Stop.
Where are you from?
Langfei.
Huh?
Langfei. South Africa. Yeah.
Langfei.
Langfei. Say hello to my people. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. I'm from Langfei. I'm just stay here.
会说中文吗？
Little 中文。
中文一点点。
Yeah, little, only English. I know. Hello. How much is this? 朱小千. Little. I'm still learning.
基本的一点点，懂一点
And
点。
what's your name? What a名字?
My name is 王俊豪。
王俊豪.
对。
Okay, my name is Paul.
Paul.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Have you got WeChat?
Huh?
WeChat.
Yeah.
We can talk on WeChat.
微信，我
Yeah.
那go，拖给那个，拖给表示。讲呢？
Yeah.谢谢. Okay, we'll chat on WeChat. Okay.
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. You've got a beautiful country. Beautiful. Okay. Bye.
走了，我走了。
Yeah. I just made friends. Really there. Let's go this way. I don't know where I'm going, by the way. And this one is a double lane. And another amazing thing here on the dash, it like shows me how many kilometers I've got with the battery that I've got currently. So yeah. Oh, I think I remember this. I've never been to this side. This is the other side of the sports park. Let me slow down here. And let me see if I can show you guys the view. Look at that. Wow. This is all part of I think it's under the company that I've got an apartment under, Future World. It's beautiful. If you haven't seen it, go check out my other videos. Okay guys, let's continue. And by the way, another fantastic thing is you don't need a license to ride one of these in most places in China. Like this is considered a bicycle, an electrical bicycle. I think maximum it goes to like 30 kilometers per hour, something like that. So yeah, it's considered a bicycle. Yeah, no, this I remember from up there. Okay, so I'm not lost, but I'm very good with directions either way. You know. Let me show you a bit more of the scenery. I have to slow down here. And I must say, so far I'm enjoying the ride, man. I'm enjoying the ride. I think I'm gonna do this more often because I've been using the bicycles and Didi. Yeah, but just to go around here, I'll continue using the bicycles because it's also, I enjoy the exercise. But then for like 5-6 blocks, I'll use the motorcycle. I think I should take my daughter on a ride. She loves that. So we're at the crossing. We're not going straight. We'll just turn here because of the battery power. This way we can circle back. We're not out of range. So far we've traveled 1 kilo. So yeah, this, I think on the next video I'll come and explore here what's going on here. I think it's sports facilities or something. Somebody told me that, so I'll just come check it out. So over there I heard is the apartment block or blocks, but I don't live in this one. I live in the one after this one. So we'll go check it out. So yeah guys, let me know what you guys think. What you think of China so far, and subscribe guys, please subscribe, share, comment, like, let's engage, you know. And if you enjoy the content, of course, give us a thumbs up and let us know what else you would like to see. Yeah, I'll definitely come around here. Look at this, beautiful. Wow, and I think I see the parking. Now look how they keep the streets clean. See? But I think now they've been just watering the flowers around the road. So yeah, let's carry on, let's carry on. I'm enjoying this. What shall I do? Let's go this way. Let's just explore this way. The Chinese love basketball. So you can see the court over there. Oh yeah man, this is nice. This is nice. Now I understand why biker boys love their bikes so much. Ooh, the fresh air in your face. And this doesn't have a ridiculous speed on it. Like now I'm going 20. Let me see if I can slow down and show you. See, right there. Yeah guys, so let's engage. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think so far. I'm enjoying myself, if you can't tell. Yeah, so this I'm pretty familiar with. This is my space right here. Stay in this complex. Oof. And here there's no parking. Let's see if they've got parking for these ones over there. And that will mark the end of our video. Over here there's a motorbike, so after this, who knows? Maybe I might get myself one. But it's very reasonable to also just rent these ones. It's not that expensive. Back on the bicycle lane. I'm doing this now when there's not a lot of traffic, so I don't bump into anybody. Let's see if I can park here. So I don't go too far out of range. Yeah, so it turns out I can park the car here. Let me take off my helmet. Yeah, because it was saying it doesn't detect that I've returned the helmet. Obviously there'll be an extra charge for that. Yeah, so it's logged in. Let's get back to our app. Return it. And return the car. Yeah. There we go.
车已启动，请遵守交通规则。新站交警提醒：佩戴安全头盔，不要逆行。
Oh, so it says no.
请规范停车。
Okay, no. Parking. Oh, okay. So it says no, we can't return it here. It's in front. Ah. Whew. Yeah, guys, so it says in front. Let me just go. Hold on a little too fast there. I'm getting the hang of it. After all, this is my first ride after how many years? So my guy is over on the phone. Aha. I need to pay an extra 5, yeah? I can just leave it here. Yeah, call it a day. Or not a day, but for the video. So let me know what you guys think. Let me just go ahead and return it now. Yeah. Okay, I've returned. Okay, let me just turn it around so you can see the travel time. Pay immediately 0 for actual fee. Why? Oh, there we go. Done. So yeah guys, like, subscribe, share, comment, Yeah. Look at this. Look at the shops behind me. I've already told you about the shops. Yeah. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Love and peace. Can I get a picture with the bikes? Okay, there we go. So yeah, guys. Subscribe, guys. Come on, guys. Subscribe. It's free, man. I see a lot of you are watching this, and I see a lot of new people are watching this. Subscribe, comment, tell me what you think, what you would like to see, you know. So subscribe, man. Subscribe. Talk to me. Like, comment, share. Yeah, let me just flip it around and show you some more.